Have you ever dreamed of making some extra cash online without spending a single dollar? Well, what if I told you it's totally possible to earn up to $25 a day right from your couch? Whether you're a student, job seeker, or a busy parent, this is for you. In this short video, I'll show you a legit website that pays worldwide. And guess what? There's no minimum withdrawal limit. That means if you earn even $1 in a few seconds, you can withdraw it instantly, no matter where you are in the world. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in and I'll show you exactly how it works.
Just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, it's gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
One fantastic platform to explore is Remotasks. It offers simple tasks like image annotation, data collection, and transcription that anyone can learn. You get paid for each task completed, building your earnings quickly. The best part? You can withdraw your money once you hit $1, and they offer convenient payment methods like Payoneer, PayPal, and AirTM. It's a super flexible way to earn on your own schedule. To sign up is quite easy. All you need is to go to remotasks.com. The sign-up process is self-explanatory. The link to their site will be available in the description of this video. If you have any difficulty along the line, you can let me know in the comment. By the way, there is a mind-blowing opportunity to earn up to $2,752 per month from an application which has been hidden online for a while now. Kindly check it in the video that will pop up after this or in the description of this video.